What does a red traffic sign typically indicate? A. Speed limit enforcement. B. General warning. C. Stop or yield. D. Services available. Answer: C. Stop or yield. A traffic sign with an orange background signifies: A. Recreation areas nearby. B. Construction and maintenance warning. C. School zone ahead. D. Historic or cultural interest site. Answer: B. Construction and maintenance warning. If you see a blue traffic sign, it usually means: A. There is a one-way road. B. Information about services like food and gas. C. Traffic is required to stop. D. A warning about an upcoming school zone. Answer: B. Information about services like food and gas. A brown traffic sign is used to indicate: A. Speed limits and traffic laws. B. Emergency services available. C. Recreational and cultural interest areas. D. Upcoming construction work. Answer: C. Recreational and cultural interest areas. Fluorescent yellow-green signs are specifically used for: A. Indicating detours and road work. B. Highlighting public restrooms and rest areas. C. Warning about school, pedestrian, and bicycle crossings. D. Stating speed limits and traffic directives. Answer: C. Warning about school, pedestrian, and bicycle crossings. What message does a white traffic sign typically convey? A. Recreational information. B. Directions and distances to destinations. C. Stop or yield commands. D. Regulatory information such as speed limits. Answer: D. Regulatory information such as speed limits. Fluorescent pink traffic signs are used for: A. Warning of natural disasters. B. Indicating wrong way or do not enter. C. Notifying about emergency traffic incidents. D. Guiding to cultural interest sites. Answer: C. Notifying about emergency traffic incidents. What does a black traffic sign typically indicate? A. One-way directions. B. Emergency alerts. C. Construction zones. D. Park and recreation notices. Answer: A. One-way directions. If you encounter a green traffic sign, it likely shows: A. Speed limits. B. Emergency information. C. Directions, distances, or destination information. D. General warnings. Answer: C. Directions, distances, or destination information. A yellow traffic sign serves to: A. Indicate hospital services. B. Provide recreational information. C. Warn of general road conditions ahead. D. Show commercial services locations. Answer: C. Warn of general road conditions ahead. What shape is universally used for stop signs? A. Triangle. B. Circle. C. Octagon. D. Rectangle. Answer: C. Octagon. What does a triangular sign typically indicate? A. Railroad crossing. B. Stop. C. Yield. D. No passing zone. Answer: C. Yield. Diamond-shaped signs generally signify: A. School zones. B. Regulatory information. C. Warning of hazards. D. Railroad crossings. Answer C. Warning of hazards. A pennant-shaped sign is used to A. Indicate a school crossing. B. Mark the start of a no-passing zone. C. Provide information about cultural areas. D. Warn of a stop ahead. Answer B. Mark the start of a no-passing zone. Which sign shape is typically used for giving instructions or rules of the road? A. Rectangle. B. Triangle. C. Octagon. D. Pentagon. Answer A. Rectangle. A pentagon-shaped sign usually warns of A. Railroad crossings. B. Construction zones. C. School zones. D. Recreation areas. Answer C. School zones. A round sign typically alerts drivers to A. Construction ahead. B. Railroad crossings. C. School zones. D. Stop requirements. Answer B. Railroad crossings. What does a crossbuck sign indicate? A. Stop. B. Yield. C. Highway rail grade crossing. D. No passing zone. Answer C. Highway rail grade crossing. A trapezoid sign is used to designate A. Emergency services. B. Recreation and cultural interest areas. C. Traffic laws and regulations. D. Hospital zones. Answer B. Recreation and cultural interest areas. Horizontal rectangular signs usually provide A. Directions or information. B. Warnings about school zones. C. Instructions to stop. D. Warnings about railroads. Answer A. Directions or information. When approaching a stop sign, what must you do if there is no stop line? A. Stop before the crosswalk. B. Slow down but keep moving. C. Yield to the right-of-way but proceed without stopping. D. Only stop if other vehicles are present. Answer A. Stop before the crosswalk. What should a driver do after stopping at a stop sign? A. Proceed immediately. B. Yield to all traffic and pedestrians, proceeding when safe. C. Only yield to vehicles, not pedestrians. D. Wait for a signal to proceed. Answer B. Yield to all traffic and pedestrians, proceeding when safe. How do you identify a yield sign on U.S. roads? A. 8-sided sign with white letters on red. B. 3-sided sign with red letters on white. C. Round sign with black letters on white. D. Rectangular sign with black on yellow. Answer B. 3-sided sign with red letters on white. What action should drivers take when approaching a yield sign? A. Stop completely and wait for a signal. B. Slow down, look for pedestrians and vehicles, and proceed when safe. C. Accelerate to clear the intersection quickly. D. Ignore the sign if no pedestrians are visible. Answer B. Slow down, look for pedestrians and vehicles, and proceed when safe. What is indicated by a rectangular sign with black letters on white? A. Directional information. B. The maximum speed limit. C. A warning about a hazard. D. A no passing zone. Answer B. The maximum speed limit.